My name is Govind Sharma from class 9, section A.
Good evening everyone. My name is Swastik Patel from section B.
Today we are here to present a project about rocket propulsion, and now we are going to explain the different components of the rocket.
So guys, basically this is a rocket model. As you can see, now I will explain you the parts of it. So this is a rocket model, and as you can see there are these black things here is called thrusters, which release the fire thrust from these small parts. Now as you can see, these parts are used to carry rocket fuel, which is further used to launch the rocket from Earth to the atmosphere. Now as you can see, this is the main base of the rocket, and here this is the main thruster, which is used to move the rocket in the orbit of the Earth. And this part of the rocket is the main ship where the astronauts control the rocket, and this part here is called the dock, where either the rovers or satellites are kept. So basically this was all about the basic parts of the rocket. Now Govind will explain you about the kinematics and working of the rocket.
So hi everyone again. So now I'm going to explain about the kinematics and the working of the rocket, as Swastik told. So let's assume my hand to be the Dalton level, okay, and the rocket, okay, wherever it is. So we all know, according to the third law, that this rocket has to apply a force on the ground in order to move. So what will this force be equal to? Well, this force will be equal to dm by dt into u relative. Well, what is dm, dt and u relative? Dm is the change in mass, dt is the change in time, and u relative is the velocity with respect to this rocket. Now, okay, this rocket is moving, and as it gradually moves, its mass always keeps on reducing. Well, why does it always reduce? Well, the fuel in this is always being consumed, and these black parts, as you can see, well, they just separate, reducing its mass even further, which happens at the topmost layer of the atmosphere. And when this rocket gets off from the Earth's atmosphere, it gradually gets separated into two parts: this black part and this other part. Well, this part just revolves around the Earth for some time. This fact, inventor Dr. Robert Glachengador on 16th of March 1926 invented the first liquid-fueled rocket. He is also known today as the father of modern rocket propulsion. Fact number 2: lightest rocket in history is the SS-5205, and the heaviest rocket in history is the Saturn V.
So guys, I'm here with the fact number 3 and 4. So the fact number 3 is R7 ICBM, the first rocket ever that was carrying the Sputnik satellite, was launched on October 4, 1957. And fact number 4 is a typical rocket produces more than 1 million pounds of thrust to carry 6,000 pounds. Speed topping at 22,000 miles per hour.
I'd like to thank our physics teacher for giving us such a great opportunity to learn something so valuable.
Thank you guys for watching the video. Have a great day.